Okay, bye-bye. Naranasan ganito. Dati pagka nabutas to, bagsak ako dun sa ilalim. Tumama ako sa salamin. So simula dyan hanggang doon, tatawid siya. My flight?
No. What time can you check in? They have written here. You see here.
What time?
No, you see. I can't see properly.
Okay. Philippines Airlines only 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m.
That means you can. Okay, okay. Then you can. Check-in is in the Jewel below. You want you go there, you check in, but your flight is from here.
Okay.
I can give you the idea because you have plenty time. So you can, if you want to walk, wait, I show you. This terminal 2.
Okay.
Okay. So how you go to terminal 1, the Jewel, is so just now you just saw they allow you to check in early until 8:30 p.m.
Yeah, 9:30 p.m.
So you can go. You can. Your counter is counter 10 there.
Counter 10.
Down there. No, I think 11. I think. But if you want to do, I can drop you here. You walk like this. Wait, I don't want you to get confused. You can see the tube on top.
Yeah.
That's how you walk there.
Okay.
Okay, you see. Then you go. It's at the ground level. It's the early check. And you see this tube.
Okay.
Okay, it's connected from the terminal 2 to the Jewel.
Okay.
So you can walk, and then you can check in your luggage. I see people are walking like that.
Okay.
You go like that,
Yeah.
But remember, your flight is from here. You have to come back to terminal 2, Don't miss the flight.
Yeah.
So after checking my luggage, my plan is to visit the Jewel from Terminal 2 to Terminal 1. All you have to do is to use the skywalk connected to Jewel and just follow the signage. Take note, if you want to explore the Jewel after check-in, don't go straight to the departure and immigration. Otherwise, you will be stuck inside terminals and may not be able to go out.
Yeah. Diyan, tapos sumakit ako dyan sa escalator na yan. At sabi doon, Jewel. Nakita mo yan. So go straight lang dyan. Yan, so darating kayo dito, departure, tapos Jewel, tapos dire-diretso lang doon sa dulo. Yeah, just follow the sign to go to the Jewel. At yan, makikita nyo na yung Jewel. Yeah, yun yung tube. Ang ganda, may hallway na parang connecting na na tube papunta doon sa Jewel. Galing. And that's it. Nakikita ko yung Jewel. So aakyat tayo sa taas, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga bagong attraction dito. Last na punta ko dito is 2023 pa, so titingnan natin kung ano yung mga attraction dun sa pinakataas. Grabe, ang ganda oh. Yes. So aakyat tayo sa escalator. So bibili tayo ng ticket gamit ang ating credit card.
So you want to do better than one, is that right?
Yeah, I'll do all. I wanna see all.
You want to see all?
Yeah, I want to see all attractions.
All is actually bundle deal too.
How much?
You will see, it's at $54.
54.
Yeah, of $39.
$54.
Yeah.
And what would I expect to see?
So you will see this number 1 to number 9, everything. But of course, you can pass out on other attractions. You got the History Maze and walk around the garden. Instead of walking at Bounceman and the beach.
Okay. And what is this? Jewel Jurassic?
Jurassic is a tablet game. So this one is actually featuring the last session was 5:30 p.m.
530. So I can also do this? Included in 54 or another pay?
Not today.
Not today.
Last session was 5:30 p.m.
Okay. Alright.
Okay?
Can I use card?
Sure. So validity estimation will be 2 hours, but you can minimize whichever that you like.
Okay. You need passport?
So first for validity is $54.
Yeah, sure.
Should I put on there? And this there's a picture there. So there's a green behind you are the lasers, and at the corner will be the canopy top. Inside you find the bounce man and the hockey.
Alright. Thank you so much for the help.
No worries.
Yeah, so doon ako bumili ng ticket. Pinili ko yung buong attraction, 54 Singaporean dollar.
Mirror Maze. So first is Mirror Maze. Go to the Mirror Maze again. Okay. So creepy. Wow, thank you so much. It's full of mirror. Nice. Wow.
뭐야 어디 있어? 엄마! 엄마! 뭐 맞아?
Hindi ko na alam kung nasan ako.
Wow, sa Mirror Maze. Bumalik ako. Yeah, I think I found a way. Okay, so nakita ko na yung daan. Yun, nakita ko na yung daan. Yes. Yes, I think ito na yung last. Yeah. Nakalabas ako. Ang galing nakalabas ako. Ay. Oh, shit. Tumama ako sa salamin. My goodness, saan ang labasan? Ah, here.
이쪽도 있어?
Woo! Kailangan pala ibalik to. Grabe, nakaka-enjoy doon. So next, hedge maze. Ito yung entrance sa hedge.
Means this is the exit. The entry will be up ahead. Once you exit, you cannot re-enter again.
Okay, sure. Thank you. So dito daw yung entry, yung first. Ito tayo sa hedge maze. Wow. Ang ganda ng kanilang area. So hanapin natin agad yung way natin para makaalis tayo dito at mapuntahan natin lahat ng attraction. Actually, napuntahan ko na to on my first video. May something dito. Woo! Paikot. Oh. So may gate. Tayo dito. Okay, just follow the road. Yeah. May gate dito. So pasok tayo dito. Mukhang mas maganda na kasi nung pumunta ako dito hindi Come on. Oh, it's not working. Nagtago sila lahat, mga halaman. Ito na tayo next. Nice! Nung huli ko, hindi ko napuntahan yun kasi hindi ko masyado nalibot to eh. Kasi nagmamadali din ako. So this time I have so many time. I have so much time. Ulit-ulit lang naman siya. At kailangan ko makita yung pinaka-main. Oh, nandito na ako sa main. So, patapos na ako. Nakita ko na to. Yes. Pag nakita mo na tong hagdanan na to, it means tapos na. Yeah. So this is the highest. Nice. So, natapos ako. Yung exit doon na doon sa baba. Nakita ko nito yung exit. Yun o. Exit. Yeah, exit. So, exit na tayo. Thank you. So, tapos na ako sa hedge maze. Canopy Park naman ako pupunta. Canopy Park. Hello, sir. Thank you. So sa list ko, tapos na ako sa mirror maze, hedge maze, walking net. So next, hindi ko na alam kung saan to. Mukhang padilim na din. So I had so much time at ang isa pa, hindi mainit dito, sobrang lamig. Nakikita ko yung mga tao doon, nagpapad-slide sila doon. So, tatry ko yung slide. Discovery slide. Wow, ang ganda doon. Grabe, ang ganda doon. Okay, I wanna try the slide. Okay, thank you. Canopy slide. Yeah. Oh, may medium, merong may pinakamalaki. Wow. Ang ganda. Mukhang ang ganda doon sa pinapaglaruan ng mga bata doon. So, tanong natin kung pwede nakabag.
This bag also number on the back. Right. To the side. The back. The small bag. Yeah. Okay. think you should slide without the bag. It's more fun.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye! Grabe, ang saya nun. Ayaw na. Pagod na ako. Nagpapawisan na ako. Oh, ang saya dun sa slide na yun. Grabe. Nag-enjoy ako dun. So next, walking net. But I think hindi pwede yung bag ko dyan. Kaya gusto ko itry yung bouncing net. Mamaya na yung walking net. So bouncing net muna tayo. Kasi last time hindi ko napuntahan yun. So this time yun yung pupuntahan ko ngayon. Hanapin natin yung entrance. So lumampas ako sa bouncing net. Doon pala yung entrance. Hindi man lang nagsasalita si kuya doon. Kanina pa ako nagsasabing bouncing net eh. Bouncing net. Mirror maze, walking net. Pala yung bouncing net. Yeah. Hi, bouncing net?
Yes.
Bag is allowed?
Bag not allowed, sir. You need to keep inside the lockers, yeah? Both bags.
Okay, where's
the
the...
lockers on the right side.
This one. Is it free?
Yeah. Here.
Thank you. So, kailangan iiwan yung gamit sa locker. So, dyan. At ang laki ng isa kong bag. Paano ko malalagay ito? So, iwan ko lang yung gamit ko dito. Bawal din siguro yung eyeglass. Sige lang, dalhin ko na lang yung eyeglass ko.
Do you need to go toilet?
Toilet?
Yeah, this is a one-time entry only.
Okay, no need.
No, yeah. Okay. So, I need to watch the safety video.
Oh yeah, okay. So, safety video. Yeah, so ginabi na tayo. Oh! Grabe, umpisa pa lang ang saya na. Konti lang yung mga bata naglalaro. Ang saya. Gansan kaya yung ano nito. So, itong attraction na to, it takes 45 minutes for you to enjoy. At, grabe, tignan nyo. Woo! Woo! So, susundan ko na lang yung mga bata. Saya pala nito. Yun yung tinatapakan ko sa baba, oh. Oh. Kitang-kita ako na yung sa gitna ako ng escalator, oh. Yeah. Medyo nakakapagod. Pero ang saya. Ngayon ko lang na naranasan ganito. Ang saya. Kawawa naman yung cellphone ko, kakatalon ko. Grabe, ang saya dito. Para akong lumulo. Para akong... Ang tawag dito? Grabe, pawis ako. So may slide dito. Try natin tong slide na to. Try na. Close. Okay. Upo nga muna tayo. Napagod ako. Grabe. Naglaro ang bata. So this one is open. Let's try. Try natin to. May mga bata nag-e-enjoy ito na. Yeah, mababa na ako. Pagod na ako. Naglaro ang bata. Ang saya. Pinapagod ako dun. Pawis ako. Ha? Thank you.
Okay, this one, wristband,
Yeah.
and then put it there.
Okay.
And this card.
Yeah.
Okay.
So need to remove, yeah?
Remove. Correct. Okay. Put it there. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Thank you.
Thanks.
Go for your break.
Kunin ko na yung gamit ko. Tapos magpapahinga na ako. Grabe, pawis ko. Naglaro ang bata. Ang layo rin pala ng narating ko. Grabe yun. Grabe, pinagpawisan ako. So nag-enjoy ako. Ang pinaka naka-enjoy sa akin is yung bouncing net. Grabe, pawis ko. Tingnan nyo. Para kung hindi aalis, parang hindi ako pupunta ng airport. Para lang akong magja-jogging or something. Yeah, so pinaka nakaka-enjoy talaga is yung bouncing net. Napuntahan ko yung Canopy Park, Master H Canopy Bridge, Mirror Maze, walking net. Yung walking net, in-skip ko na kasi last time napuntahan ko na yun eh. Grabe. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pawis ko. So, for 54 Singaporean dollar, times yun lang sa 43 o 41, at yun na yun. So last attraction na pupuntahan ko is yung walking net. Ni-skip ko to kanina kasi akala ko ano eh. So dito na ako sa walking net. Wala naman masyadong tao doon at nawala na rin yung pawis ko. Hi sir. Is there some performances?
Light show.
A light show. Yeah?
Later there'll be another light show.
What time?
9 o'clock.
Huh?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, thank you.
So no jumping about it.
Yeah. Oh, so yung walking net doon. Grabe. Tara, tingnan natin. May ano na eh. So bawal tumalon-talon. Hindi to gaya nung hindi to gaya nung ano nga ba yun? Bouncing net. Yeah. So akit tayo dito. Grabe, kakapatuyo ko pa lang ng pawis. Nagpasimula na naman ako magpapawis. Diba, enjoy naman ako. Hirap nun ha. Grabe, inakyat ko dun. Tingnan nyo sa likod. Wow. So may light show ngayon, 8 o'clock. And then the next show is 9 o'clock. Yun o, grabe, tignan nyo. Yun yung light show ng Jewel. Yeah. Grabe, hirap bumaba. Wala lang, napaka-easy lang nito. Talagang net lang siya, tapos bawal tumalon. Kita nyo yung babagsakan ko dun sa ilalim. Escalator. Grabe, pagka nabutas to, bagsak ako dun sa ilalim. So baba na tayo, manood tayo ng light show. Yeah. Yun. Hindi naman siya ganun kahaba. Maliit lang yung maze na to. Yun lang. Kita mo yung nakuha ano meron dun sa baba. Yan, nag-start na naman ako magpawis. Kakainis. Bakit ba kasing init dito? Yeah. Thank you, sir. See you again. See you. So, kailangan natin balikan lahat ng gamit natin. Yeah, so natapos na yung aking paggagala dito sa rooftop nila. Next, kunin ko yung mga gamit ko at manood tayo ng light show. Hanap tayo ng magandang spot. So, I have so much time to explore the Changi Airport, and this is my first time exploring it. And I'm enjoying it. So next, papunta na tayo sa ating bag para kunin yung mga bag natin kasi yun yung halos wala ng tao dito kasi lahat sila nakafocus na dun sa light show. Ako na lang ang nandito. Pero may mga tao pa rin naman pala dun, mga bata. Okay. So this is the last challenge. We will get our bag. Okay. Yeah. Yan naman, nagpawis na naman ako. Okay, let's get our bag. So, press. Okay, once it's blue, press the key locker. Then put your password. Then press and hold. Now it's open. So, ganun lang siya ka-easy. Nahirapan pa ako kanina na humingi pa ako ng tulong. So this locker is free, kaya kaso maliit lang na bag yung kasya sa loob. Mga ganito lang. Napakaliit lang talaga niya. Tignan nyo, isang palad lang ata ng kamay ko eh. Ganun din yung laki. Maliit lang talaga siya. Kung may malalaki kayong bag, dito nyo ilalagay yung bag nyo. Diyan. Kaya nang ginawa ko dyan, nilagay yung bag ko. Okay, let's move out here and find a nice place. Nagugutom na rin ako. Grabe din yung pagod ginawa ko. Nakakapagod. So let's find a good food here. So that's it. It's my yeah, so ang bilis lang pala nung light shows. Kala ko mabilis, mabagal. So that's it for today. Na-explore ko yung Changi Airport rooftop nila, yung mga attraction na hindi ko na-try nung nakaraan, lalo na yung bouncing gate. Yun pala talaga yung pinaka sobrang saya So maghahanap tayo ng magandang spot para doon sa Jewel. Maghahanap tayo ng magandang spot para sa light show. It's just 5 minutes show at napakaganda. Yun lang. So if you find something interesting on my video, please give me a like. If you don't, maybe on my future vlog. So this is Angelo signing on. Bye-bye.